welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make something a little special, very easy to do. Today we are going to make a Dutch baby. And a Dutch baby basically is a pancake, originated from Germany. There are a couple of ways that you can make this. You can make it savory by adding meats to it, or you can add sardines to it. I'm going to make it the breakfast way and the brunch way. It's very easy to make. So let me show you what you need to make your Dutch baby. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need 3 eggs. They must be at room temperature. So what I did was I actually put these 3 eggs in a warm water for about 10 minutes, and that's how you get them to room temperature. I have a half a cup of milk. Also, that should be at room temperature. I put it in the microwave for about 15 minutes, 15 seconds, and that's at room temperature. You need a half a cup of flour. You need 3 tablespoons of butter. You need a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, and you also need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add other ingredients if you want, other spices. I like to have these 2 spices. You're going to need a blender, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your 3 eggs in a blender. And the next thing you want to do is you want to put your half a cup of milk. And you want to now add your flour. You have your pinch of nutmeg. And you have also a pinch of cinnamon. And you need a pinch of salt. And we're going to blend this. What you want to do is open it up. You want to scrape down the sides. You want to make sure all that flour is incorporated. Let's cover this again. And now you want to add your teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so your mixture is basically done. So now what you need now is you're going to need this is cast iron skillet. This works the best with a Dutch baby. If you don't, you can have a stainless steel frying pan, but if you can get a cast iron skillet, they're very inexpensive. This was like under $20 on Amazon. So this is what you want to do. And what you want to do is you want to put that in a 400-degree oven, and you want to get this hot before you do anything. So I have my oven set at 400 degrees. We're going to keep that in there for about 10-15 minutes. We're going to wait for that to get nice and hot. We're going to take it out, and I'm going to show you how to assemble your Dutch baby. Okay, so it's been a while. It's been a couple of minutes. Be very careful. This pan is very hot. So what we're going to do is we're now going to take the butter, and we're going to put the butter in the pan. And we're basically going to circle that around. We're going to let this melt. Do the sides also, because you don't want the Dutch baby to stick on the sides. Okay, so the butter is all melted. You want to take your batter, and remember, be very careful. This pan is very hot, so You want to pour your batter directly in the center. Okay, that's done. And now what you want to do is you want to go back to the oven, and you want to put your oven on 425 degrees. You want to put this back in the oven on the medium in the center tray, and you want to basically cook that. You want to basically cook that for anywhere between 16 to 18 minutes, or until it's very, very fluffy. You'll see when it comes out of the oven what it's going to look like. You're going to be amazed. This is a German pancake. It's called a Dutch baby. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Come back in about 18 minutes. Okay, everybody, so it's been about 18 minutes, and we're going to close the oven. And be very careful because it is hot. And that is, you can get a close-up look at that. That is a Dutch baby. This is a German pancake, and you can eat it warm, just like this. I would just rather eat it just out of the pan, just the way it is. So the next thing I'm going to do with this is we're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar. And don't be afraid to use a lot of powdered sugar. There you go. Should have used the bigger one, but okay, so that's your Dutch baby, and I'm going to cut into it because me and James are going to have this for breakfast, and I want to show you what it looks like. Remember, the pan is very, very hot, so let's hold on to this. And that's one slice. That looks absolutely delicious. And we're going to do another slice, and then we're just going to bring the whole thing over to the table. This is going to be our breakfast, so this is another slice. So just going to move this out of the way. I'm going to bring this one over. Okay, and we are going to have it with a little bit of Nutella on the side. Okay, so that's your Dutch baby. This again is a German pancake, very easy to make. Takes 2 seconds. Putting the batter together takes about 18 minutes in the oven. Best way to cook it is with a cast iron pan. If you don't have one, you can pick one up on Amazon for under 20 bucks. But if you have a stainless steel skillet, you can use one of those as well. Again, I put nutmeg and cinnamon in mine. You can do a fresh lemon, zest of lemon. You can do any kind of herb that you like. You can make these savory. You can put sardines in this. You can put ham in this. You can put a little bit of cheese in this. That's having it savory. This is actually having it for breakfast and for brunch. So try this recipe. It's very easy. We're going to go now and sit down and enjoy this. So subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, like this video, and enjoy your Dutch baby. Thanks. Peace out.